is equal, then the two lines are parallel.
Here, if a transversal intersects two lines, by one. If a transversal intersects two lines, then alternate interior angles, and if they are equal, that means what? AB is parallel to CD. Understood or no? If I have a transversal which intersects two lines, they are just normal lines first. If alternate interior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal means what? AB is parallel to CD. If these alternate interior angles were not equal, then AB will not be parallel to CD. Understood or no? Understood? Okay, next.
If a transversal intersects
Theorem 3.4. Huh?
if a transversal intersects
Huh.
two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel.
Read that once again.
If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal
See, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of interior angles on the same side, or not on the opposite side, on the same side, make the sum 180 degree. Read further.
then the two lines are parallel.
Then AB will be parallel to CD. Understood or no? This is adjacent angles. These are called as what? Adjacent. They are adjacent or no? Adjacent or no? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ adjacent ಇದೆ. This one was alternate interior angles. If alternate interior angles form, AB is parallel to CD. If adjacent angles form, AB is parallel to CD. If alternate interior angles don't form, AB is not parallel to CD. If adjacent angles don't form, AB is not parallel to CD. Understood or no? Understood? Okay, next. 3.5. Read. Theorem 3.5.
At 3.5 is
ಐತ್ಲಾ ತೆಳಗಡೆ ಅನ್ಬುಕ್ದ ಐತ್ಲಾ.
supplementary.
If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversals. ಇದು 3.5 ಏನಿದೆ? ಇದು 3.5 ಇದೆ. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೇನು? ಯಾ 3.4? ಈಗ ಬರೋ 3.4 ಹೇಳಿ. ನಡೀತೈತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ ಥೆರಮ್ ಇದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಥೆರಮಿಗೆ ಇದ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ತಿಳಿತೈತಾ? ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
The transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on same side of transversal is supplementary.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ.
If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on same side of transversal is supplementary.
First, he should say this, then you should understand this here. If two pairs of, I have AB is parallel to CD. First only they have given that AB is parallel to CD. Before only AB is parallel to CD means, if AB is parallel to CD means, the adjacent angles that I get here, A and B, if I add them, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. ಇದು ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಇದು ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೊಂಟೇವಿ. ತಿಳಿಯತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? See here. First only if I have AB is parallel to CD, then whatever adjacent angles it will be having, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. One example will do. See here. If this is 60 degree, how much will be this? If AB is parallel to CD, okay? If AB is parallel to CD, if this is 60 degree, that will be how much? How much it will be? 120 degree. Yes or no? Why do we have 120? Because they are adjacent angles. Adjacent angle sum if I add, I should get how much? 180 I should get. Now come to here, come to this concept. Now if two lines are parallel, okay, and if alternate interangles, if this is 70 degree, then how much will be this? This also will be 70 degree. Why? Because already this line is parallel to this line. Then alternate interangles, whatever alternate interangles are getting formed, they will be equal to each other. If this is 70 degree, this also will be 70 degree. And here sum of the two opposite angles on the same side like this, they will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of that addition ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ directly there you should add and see. Understood or no? Right. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. What is its meaning here? Let's decode that. If I have three lines and one transverse will hit it, okay, AB, CD, EF. I have three lines and AB, this is a transversal that is hitting it, okay. Think that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. If AB is parallel to CD means, if AB is parallel to CD means this angle will be corresponding to this or no? Yes or no? So can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Therefore angle 1 is equal to how much? Angle 2. Proper. AB is parallel to CD. Don't think about EF. Think EF is not there. Only AB and CD is there. Then this is corresponding to this or no? So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Understood what I did here? Similarly, think that in CD is parallel to what? EF. EF. If CD is parallel to EF, I will take this as angle 3. Now don't think about AB. Think that AB is not there this time. So angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. Okay, so angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Why? Corresponding angles. Understood or no? First angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? AB is parallel to CD. Second one, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. CD is parallel to EF. After that, now AB is parallel to CD or CD is parallel to EF, or angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Then can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 3? See here, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to what? So angle 1 will become equal to Atila. If angle 1 is equal to angle 3, leave this now. Leave this. If angle 1 is equal to angle 3, AB is parallel to EF. Understood or no? Therefore, AB is parallel to EF. Now read it. Lines which are parallel to the same line. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. First this was parallel to this was parallel to this. Lastly what became? This is parallel to this came. This we got. Understood or no? Right. Easy. ಏನಾತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಸೋ ಬಂದೆ.